Hate that annoying safety cap? In this video, we're going to show you how to convert those child-resistant safety caps for easy access. This guide is specifically for child-resistant caps that require you to squeeze the sides of the cap to open. You'll typically find these on mouthwash bottles. These two longer notches on the cap catch onto the two protruding edges at the bottom of the bottle neck to make it harder to open. All you need is a trusty pair of pliers. Simply clip off each of these protruding edges as close to the bottle as possible. Yep, that's all it takes. Again, just make sure you cut as close to the bottle as possible. Now you can easily open and close that bottle without the fuss. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.